Creating a plugin is almost like creating a theme. We have to create a file header. This is just a comment block that will appear in a PHP file. Inside your WordPress installation, all plugins are stored in the wp-content/plugins folders. As you can see, WordPress provides an example plugin, and we can even find the FakerPress plugin we installed earlier. Unlike themes, plugins can actually be created directly in the plugins folder, or in a subfolder. However, it's best practice to just create a subfolder with any plugin. Create a folder called recipe. Inside the folder, create a file called index.php. WordPress doesn't require a certain naming structure for plugins. Actually, if we take a look at the FakerPress plugin, you'll see that all the code is in the fakerpress.php file and not the index.php file. You can name the main plugin file whatever you want. Some developers name it after their plugins, others just use index.php. Either one is fine. I just wanted you to be aware of the two common possibilities. It's all preference. For this course, we're going to keep everything in the index.php file. There's only one requirement to make this an official WordPress plugin. We must create a file header and define one property. So let's create a block comment, and inside this block comment, add the following: plugin name, recipe. That's it. Go to your plugins page, and you should now see our plugin appear. It doesn't have the rest of the information like the other plugins, but it works. This is the absolute minimum requirement for WordPress to recognize your plugin, nothing else. In the resources section, I provide a link to the file header codex page. WordPress provides a full list of optional headers we can define. We're going to use a few of these. Let's get started. The second header we want to define is the description. I'm going to put a simple WordPress plugin that allows users to create recipes and rate those recipes. Up next is the version. We'll keep it simple by setting it to 1.0. Next is the name of the author. Put your name down or the name of your organization. The author URI is a link to a personal site or organization site. Lastly, we want to define the text domain. I know we haven't gone over translations yet, but this should always be set to the name of your plugin folder. So, set this to recipe. Let's refresh our plugin page and see if everything works. Awesome. Feel free to take a look at the other headers and define whatever suits your needs.